So yesterday I transported a big ass boat from Espan back home to Oslo, and I noticed that there was this red icon. Normally, that the trailer icon would be blue, and then it was red. I was like, what the heck? So it turns out that the fuse blew, and that trailer was using that old plug. So I had to use this adapter, and I think something messed up with the adapter, or I'm not sure where, but Tesla uses a new plug here. So today when I use my own trailer, right, I don't use the adapter. This one goes directly into the car. I also noticed, what the heck, you still have that red icon. So it turns out that the light was out, the fuse was out. So in this video I will show you how you can replace which fuse it is, and also give you a tip on what kind of fuse you should use. So in order to access the fuse box, well, Tesla has several fuse boxes, one in the front and one near the footwell. But we want to use this one. This is where the fuse box is. And then you pop this open. And then you open this one. And you take out this fuse, I don't know what it's called. It's this pinch. There, yes. And if you look at this, the lid to the fuse box, there are lots of numbers here. So this is a map of the fuses, and Tesla told me it is F105. So you see here, that's F105. Now you have to be 101% sure which fuse you pull. If you pull the wrong one, you could damage something in the car, because after all, this car is like a computer on wheels, so you don't pull random fuses. But if you know for sure that it's 105, then you can pull it out and replace it. And as you probably guessed, I use the trailer a lot, so there's been some issues where I blew the fuse. So I bought this from Biltema. It's a LED fuse, and the nice feature about this is that if the fuse is out, it will light up. So if you look over here, you see it's kind of hard to show you here, but there, you see this one is lit up. So that one is the blown fuse, so it's really easy to locate it. So all you have to do is pull this out. There. And you can also inspect it to see that this fuse is blown. So it's a blue one, and it's hard to read here. It's a 15 amp. So just find the similar one like this, 15 amp, and then put it back in here. All right, careful, and then let me see. There you go. Now this one is not lit up, so it should be working. So we can verify it inside the car. Oh yes, you see now it is blue, so everything is working great. Oh yes. So yes, so you might be thinking, oh great, those Biltema fuses, they are marvelous. I'm just going to replace all of them so I can see if one of them blows. But no, don't do that, because like I mentioned, don't pull random fuses. Just leave them there unless you have to change them. Now I should mention towards the end that the Model X has two fuses for those 12-volt outlets, and those are located in the footwell of the driver. So it's a bit cumbersome to access it. So in the case where that one has blown, then I have gone to the service center, and they do it, and they usually do it under goodwill. So yes, but at least this one, the trailer fuse, is easy to replace yourself, and I recommend you to do it yourself, as long as you know the exact F105. Only pull that one, don't pull the other one, and then you can fix it yourself. You might be on a trip, and it's cumbersome to go to the service center, and then also you don't want to disturb the service center, because they might be busy doing other things, other repairs. Yes, so I think that's it for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and talk to you later.